How to fix AliExpress payment error. Fire up the AliExpress app on your smartphone. Look for your account settings. Usually, you'll find it by tapping on your profile picture or icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap there. Within your account settings, you'll see various options. Look for something called Help Center or Support. Tap on it. It's like your troubleshooting hub. Now, scroll down through the Help Center until you find an option labeled Online Service. It might be at the bottom of the page. Tap on it when you see it. Tapping on Online Service should open a chat window. This is where the magic happens. You're basically texting with someone from AliExpress who can help you out. In the chat, explain what's going on. Be as detailed as possible. Say something like, "Hey, I'm having trouble with a payment error." After you send your message, a support agent will join the chat and ask you some questions to understand the issue better. Just hang tight, they're there to help. The support agent will guide you through some troubleshooting steps or may even fix the error for you on their end. Just follow their lead. Once the issue is resolved, you're all set. You should be able to make your purchase without any more hiccups. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, show some love by smashing that like button and subscribing for more handy tips. Until next time, happy shopping!